Welcome to the MLN College. This is affiliated by Kurukshetra University. Mukanlal National College is a government aided private college of science and commerce in the state of Haryana that is nearby Santpura Gurudwara in the model town. This college was established in 1955 by a great visionary and educationist Seth Jayaprakash in the cherished memory of his father Seth Mukund Lalji, who was a renowned Gandhian and philanthropist.
Hello students, thank you very much for providing me this opportunity to introduce my college, MLN College, Yamunanagar. If I have to give a word to introduce MLN College to you all, to the society or to the nation, I'll say that this is a 7-decade-old institution with very rich legacy. Students, teachers, principal, and management of this college has been very proactive. The college has produced a number of bureaucrats, politicians, vice chancellor, principals, directors, and registrar of different universities across the country. Dramatists and poets of national and international repute. We have number of professional practitioners, doctors, chartered accountants, lawyers, judges, Bollywood celebrities, and above all, dedicated military men. Best practices of the college are widely recognized and followed by the admirers, including government agencies. MLN College is pioneer in blood donation, which we started approx 5 decades before. So we can say this MLN College is really a big college if our parameters are the size of the building, quality of the teachers, intake capacity, infrastructure, and achievements in varied fields.
This college was established for providing graduate level education to the youth of Yamunanagar. Our college is excellence in the sports. Central playground of our college provides a space and many facilities of major sports. This is library of MLN College. It has numerous books, research paper and journals on diverse topic. Also online database of study material that is available for student 24/7. Here we have common cum reading room where we can read books, magazines, newspapers and also can play all the indoor games. Apart from this, we can do lot of activities which keep us active and do lot of fun here. Our cafeteria provide comfortable sitting to over 100 students. It is neat and clean with all amenities for the students and staff of the college, and all the students or staff can do chit chat here. So now we are going towards our management block. This way leads to our destination. We have to keep this in our mind that we have to focus on the journey, not the destination. That will make our future more brighter and more happier. So this is our management block. Here we are to represent commerce branch. This branch is the core of this college where you get practical knowledge of market, business, management, and apart from this, there we have multiple rooms with hybrid quality for the students. Also have EDC Club that stands for Entrepreneurship Development Club. Its main objective is to develop entrepreneurship qualities and develop awareness among its members. Its main motto is that the true entrepreneur is a doer, not a dreamer. This is our knowledge lab, which provides computer services to all the students. Computers have supplied infinite resources for learning and made education more flexible and easy to access. So here we have commerce faculty. Those are expert in their field. They all have fascinating character and effective teaching style, also have ability to set goals. They all have curriculum expertise and expertise in the subject matter of all the subjects. Apart from academics, our college is also known for rich culture in extracurricular activities. Our college hosted the youth festival, also promoting the youth festival in the college. Sports Mela every year. Our college also have a gymnasium facility which provide multiple games to the students, keep them fit and healthy. In addition to this, with all the amenities, we have a beautiful campus and enjoyable life with excellent teaching staff. MLN College is the one place student would love to pursue higher studies. कॉमर्स डिपार्टमेंट के डॉक्टर अनिल धवन एक बहुत अच्छे लेखक भी हैं। उनके द्वारा लिखी गई कविता कर्म भूमि मैं आप सभी दोस्तों के साथ साझा करने जा रहा हूँ।
कर्म भूमि मेरी माला के हर मनके में गूंजे एक ही गान। मेरी माला के हर मनके में गूंजे एक ही गान। मेरी तो तिल भर की हस्ती ऊंचा मेरा संस्थान। कर्म भूमि को समर्पित हर पल मेरा मान अभिमान। मेरे जीवन का हर क्षण इसके आंख और कान। मेरी माला के हर मनके में गूंजे एक ही गान। कब देखा समय को मैंने, कब मेरी भूख और प्यास। क्या मेरी सांसें, क्या मेरा एहसास, रोम रोम में बसाया तुझको। कर तुझ पर विश्वास, भुला के सब कुछ मैंने। झोंक दी अपनी जान, हाथ बढ़ाकर मांग लिया बस संस्था का उत्थान। मेरी माला के हर मनके में गूंजे एक ही गान। दहलीज पर इसकी सजा दी आंखें, सिर माथे सम्मान। विलय कर दी हस्ती अपनी, किया कर्म भूमि का गान। मेरी माला के हर मनके में गूंजे एक ही गान। मेरी तो तिल भर की हस्ती ऊंचा मेरा संस्थान। तुझको शत शत प्रणाम मेरी कर्म भूमि। तुझको शत शत प्रणाम मेरी कर्म भूमि। चाहा था ओरिन होना इस जीवन में, चाहा था ओरिन होना इस जीवन में। लगता है कर्ज चुकाने एक बार फिर आऊंगा। करने को पूरे संवाद गाता हूं ये गान। मेरी तो तिल भर की हस्ती ऊंचा मेरा संस्थान। मेरी तो तिल भर की हस्ती ऊंचा मेरा संस्थान। मेरी माला के हर मनके में गूंजे एक ही गान।
We really respect your time and patience. Thank you for watching.